All right, so now I'm going without the telescope, obviously. Now, I don't even think I'm going to be able to get this back onto the freaking telescope. And we saw it come up. It's probably about, what, 4 moon diameters above the horizon right now. And if we're spinning towards it, and it is spinning away from us at the same time, but slower than we are spinning towards it, if we stopped spinning, if Earth stopped, that moon would disappear over the horizon again, go woof, right? The only reason it's coming towards us is because we are spinning in that direction faster than it is spinning away from us, if you know what I mean. It all sounds a little bit, but when it came up over the horizon, it didn't come up obviously as a small ball. You saw the top of the moon come up, right? The top of the moon came up. Big, it was really big. So, oh God, it's a tough one, isn't it? Out there. Oh. There's a channel marker. There's the furthest two. There's the furthest two. Alright, look. I'm not sure what I was expecting to see as that came up. Oh, but again, that tide has come up, oh shit, a fair bit. Probably easily 10 meters. I'm not talking obviously depth, but I've had to come right in. So I've moved twice now, and the moon wasn't even at the horizon when it was already coming in. So how does that work? It's on average 384,000 kilometers away from us. When it is right above me, that is when you would think, right? If everything stopped, when it is above us, the water would come up. But it was nowhere near, even over the horizon. And the tide was already coming in. And there will be other places in Australia that the tide is dropping. So, and there is nowhere, anywhere, that you would imagine that the tide could stop for an hour, knowing that we are on a spinning planet and that the moon is spinning around us. There isn't time for a 1 hour stop. It doesn't make sense, does it really? It doesn't. Doesn't matter what the topography is or the shape of the seabed floor. How's that going to freaking make a difference? It can't. An hour of a flat tide sometimes at the top. I'll put my laser down. Have a quick. Yeah, that's hitting the trees. That's well over half a K away. I don't know, folks. I will get down here during the day to do another horizon check because I just wanted to see that moon as it came up over the horizon. I accomplished that, and our bugs are biting, so I reckon it's going to be it. What did we achieve? We saw the moon as it came up from the horizon. We know it's moving away from us right now. If Earth stops spinning, it disappears over the horizon again, where it came from. We're spinning faster than it, so we're catching it, and that is why it ends up coming this way. I don't know. All right, folks.